How much time do you think you use your smartphone daily? Do you think it is unhealthy for people to depend on their phones for everything? If someone offered you $1 million to not use your smartphone or not eat rice for one whole year, which one would you choose? How much time do you think you use your smartphone daily?
Um, to be exact, at least I use my phone for about 30 to 1 hour.
30 minutes to an hour. Why is that? Like, are you like a super busy person?
Um, I work as a nurse in a hospital here in Naga City, and since I'm busy, I'll do my work, and I just spend my um parang
Leisure.
leisure time to sleep and eat. That's all.
Yeah, oh yeah, Filipinos, we love to eat and we also have to take care of ourselves. So that's when, you have time, you'll just take some rest. Nurse, very busy, very busy. I'm so proud of you, mom. Oh my God, nurses are the best. Okay. Anyway, if someone offered you $1 million to not use your smartphone or not eat rice for one whole year, which one would you choose?
If someone offered me $1 million, I think I'd choose to um not to use phone since rice is life, and I love food. That's why I'll tend not to use my cell phone.
Well, it is very, she only uses it for like 32 an hour. So, of course, she's gonna pick eating rice. Even me, mom, I love rice. Okay, anyway, do you think it is unhealthy for people to depend on their phones for everything?
Um, for my own perspective, I think it's unhealthy because there are lots of things that they can do, especially exercise. They can also do workout. It's unhealthy if you just only sit there and use phones, since your body cannot circulate especially when you're just sitting. And it's important to also talk to other people when not using phone. That's all.
How about mom those who have businesses and they're using their phones? Like they really have to use their phones.
I think it's important to use their smartphones because it's their way of communication, but I think they need to use it with moderation, since phones can produce radiation, and we need to minimize using it. That's all.
How old are you po, ma'am?
I'm 24.
You don't look like you're 24. And we have like almost the same height. So what's your height, ma'am?
4'11".
I felt like I'm next to a beauty queen right now. You're so pretty.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm feeling well.
That's great. Okay, anyway, here is the question. How much time do you think you spend on your smartphones daily?
Um, if I mean, wait.
It's okay. Okay, come here.
I spend my smartphone like 3 hours
Only 3 hours a day?
because actually I'm not always using my phone because I have something to do myself.
Like what?
Like my opportunity to my mother to care about.
Oh, so you're taking care of your mom.
Yeah.
But the normal, like before your mom got sick, how much time you spend using your smartphone?
Sometimes like 6 to 7.
6 to 7.
It
Oh,
depends.
yeah, because you're still studying as well, right?
Actually, I stopped my journey this year. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Do you have a job?
For now, wala. I don't have.
Okay, for now. But you're looking, right?
Um, Not yet.
Right, yeah. You can be like a model. She's so pretty. Like I really, really love her. The physical appearance, very slim, very tall. How tall are you?
5'5", I think.
5'5". Which one would you choose? If someone offered you $1 million, not to use your smartphone or not eat rice for one whole year.
Not use my smartphone.
So you can't live without rice.
Yes, because it's our.
We love rice. We Filipinas love rice.
Exactly.
Definitely. Okay, for the last question, do you think it is unhealthy for people to depend on their phones for everything?
Well, I think no, because we use phone because I mean phone is smart important.
Yeah, phone is important. That's true. Phone is important. But why do you think it is important? Like, what is the use of, phones to our lives?
Yeah, yes, because as time of right now is phone is you can use your business online selling like that. Yeah.
Okay.
And many Filipinos using social media. That's why we need to use phone. That's
Okay. Are you single right now or in a relationship?
I'm single
You're single. How long have you been single?
since last year.
Since last year. Okay, so 1 year now. Okay, she's very pretty. I love you so much. How much time do you think you spend on your smartphone daily? Okay, how about you? Ben?
I think 5 hours.
5 hours and you?
Uh, like half a day. Like for example, 24 hours, like 12 hours. Yeah.
So you love to use your phone. What do you use it for?
Social media uses and the others are like we have G classrooms po. And then yeah, I when we are doing our activities like we focus on our phones po.
Oh, so that's why you tend to use it longer. Okay. Now, if someone offered you $1 million to not use your smartphone or not eat rice for one whole year, which one would you choose?
Mm, I think not eat rice.
Not eat rice. Why?
Kasi it's part of my living paggamit ng phone.
Oh. It's part of your like daily life to use your phone. So you can't give up your phone.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna be on diet for one whole year. Okay, how about you, Beb?
For me, to not use my phone na lang. Because I want to like adjust that my addiction to phones. So I am going to try it for that $1 million. I think I can do that.
That's gonna be worth it because at the same time you are trying to, keep yourself away from your addiction using her smartphone. I like that. Win-win. Okay. Anyway, for the last question, do you think it is unhealthy for people to depend on their phones for everything?
I think yes, it's unhealthy because some people get addicted nga to it, and also sa mental health, lalo na sa mental health ng mga tao.
It's not good to their mental health. And
Yun na.
that's it. Okay, and how about you?
We can all say naman that it is very unhealthy for us people to like depend or like spend more time using technologies kasi nowadays we are like more on technologies na din talaga due to like improvisations of all like. And I think it's very unhealthy for us to depend on technology na rin talaga if we can just do it on our own without the use of technologies or phones.
Okay, okay, okay. Anyway, are you both singles or do you have like boyfriends? Because they're, they're classmates, they're friends. And yeah, single or do you have a boyfriend?
I just broke up uh
With your ex.
yeah, a month ago. No, a week ago.
I'm very nosy, so I want to know why. Why? If that's okay with you. He cheated?
No, it's like that it's too much for us to uh
Mutual decision.
yeah.
I see. Well, we respect that. Okay, how about you, Beb?
I'm single po.
How long have you been single?
Year?
A year. Okay, are you like first year college, Be, or second year?
Here college po.
What course are you taking?
Food trades.
So that means you really love food.
Yeah.
Ah, that's good. If you have like a partner, what would you cook for him?
I don't want a partner now because
In the future.
in the future,
Adobo?
no, sinigang.
I love sinigang, Be. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, May, for having this interview. Thank you. They were inside the mall because we are currently in Naga City. And then I was like, I saw them. I said, can I interview? Especially her. I saw her first. But they were so kind to accept the interview. So thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. So yeah, hopefully we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection